Rajesh Malhotra and I represent Tri-Goa Randonneurs. We organized the second edition of Goa to Kanyakumari, which has just ended yesterday. We had 31 participants who had registered. 28 started in the morning of 27th, and 26 participants have finished, out of which one is also a woman rider from Mumbai. Most of the riders who participated were from Goa, but we also had riders who came in from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Maharashtra. Earlier, the first time when we organized, we had mostly all the riders from Goa, and there were 10 of them who had successfully completed in 2019. Due to COVID, we could not have this event for 3 years. We intend to have this again every alternate year. We also organize a Goa to Pondicherry, which is 1,000 kilometers. All these rides which are there are affiliated to Audex France. So all the participants who complete this ride are recognized worldwide as super randonneurs, and they are eligible to participate in the most prestigious ride, which is Paris-Brest-Paris, which is 1,200 kilometers, which needs to be completed within 90 hours. So this ride also had to be completed within 90 hours. It was a 1,200 ride. All the participants did very well, and a lot of them have completed well within time. So we look forward to having more participation from Goa and across India for these kinds of rides, which are endurance rides, and we wish the riders the very best.
I'm Anita. I'm from Mumbai. Cycling I have started in 2017 just for the fitness, but this game has made me really, a very free bird kind of feeling. That's when I kept doing a good amount of BRMs and other rides. I have done my first LRM attempt, 1200 climb kebab from Delhi, which is Delhi, Himachal, and back to Delhi. It was a bit late, and so that's what actually motivated me to keep doing something which can make me do better. And after that, I have attempted LEL, which is London, Edinburgh, London, and now this is my third LRM, which is 1200 Goa to Kanyakumari, and I could finish in time. That's something a great achievement. That's what I feel, and I think I'll keep going like this.
I'm Jagannath Hede. I'm Madgavchan. ही मुगेली सेकंड टायम गोवा टू कन्याकुमारी हांव करता. फर्स्ट टायम आमी बरे 10 जाण आशिल्ले, बरी जाली आमची रायड. बट फक्त लास्ट टायम कितें आशिल्लें, आतां पळय आमकां रस्तो मेळ्ळा पळय तसो आमकां लास्ट टायम नाशिल्लो, म्हळ्यार काम चलतालें. दिस टायम इट वॉज रियली फॅन्टास्टीक. फूल हायवे आशिल्ली, मदीं मदीं मातशे बॅड पॅचीस आशिल्ले, बट वी कूड मॅनेज इट व्हेरी नायसली. कित्याक दिस टायम कितें जाल्लें की एवरी डे आमकां एक स्पेसिफीक किलोमिटर्स आशिल्ले, म्हणल्यार बरी स्प्रेड आउट केल्ले ताणें किलोमिटर्स. सो आमकां इजिली बरें हें जालें. म्हाका म्हगेल्या को रायडरा कडल्यान बरें म्हाका सांगात मेळ्ळी. आमी बरें वेवस्थीत, म्हळ्यार आमकां एक 2-3 वरां एवरी डे आमकां न्हीद मेळ्ळी, आनी अशें केल्ल्यान आमकां रायड बरी जाली. जेवण फूल वाटेर आमकां बरें मेळ्ळें. बाकी सगळे म्हगेले आनीकय सगळे आशिल्ले बरे, म्हळ्यार आमी 300 जाण आशिल्ले. सगळ्यांनी बरें सपोर्ट केलो, आनी आमी बरे टायमा भितर आमगेले कंप्लीट जाली.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.